neshamwari dzedu titambiraiwo motiregerera pane zvizhinji kwazvo zvingatikonzera dzokera kuye kwatakabva titsvake mabasa nedzidzo yatakadzidza muche tose yakambani ingatitora isu dzimwe nguva hama dzedu dzotiramba nepekutangira tabashoiwa dzimwe nguva hama dzedu dzotiramba nepekutangira tabashoiwa
Yakajanuka tadzidza mabasa ewakwebezilo namabasa musatibanane
watokotadziranuka
tadzidza mabasa ewakwebezilo namabasa
musatibanane watokotadziranuka.
Turning Point Prison to Progress. This is a program where we talk to inmates to find out more about their rehabilitation process. We move from one prison to another. And where are we today? Today we are in Chipinge prison. And for the first time on the program, we have a foreigner from Democratic Republic of Congo. His name is Salem. We want to hear more from DRC to Zimbabwean prison and in Chipinge. What crime did Salem commit and why in the first place did he leave DRC? Salem, how are you?
I'm not okay because I've been in this place suffering, under control, everything. It's too bad for us.
And you've never dreamt of getting into a prison?
Just what I want to say, living in the place like this one first is not a, what can I say? We didn't plan it before. It can be a mistake, and so that's why we try to do our best to live in this place.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Let's go back to DRC. Tell us more about your family.
We are 7 in our family, and I'm a firstborn. So I lost my father in 2019. And now I'm with only my mom. Unfortunately, I don't know where she is. Even all members of my family because of all. Yes, so it's very, very difficult to get it. And just when they all start, the problem is what the rebels come from Rwanda to DRC. And they occupied that place east on DRC because there is a lot of precious stones there. There is diamond, coltan, a lot. So the rebels come from Rwanda because our neighbor country is Rwanda. They enter easily, they kill people, and their mission is to take those precious stones. And so it's like that we receive that bad story in DRC.
Okay, so when did you leave DRC?
I left DRC January 23 this year. Is that time I leave DRC.
Okay. Your destination was Zimbabwe.
Truly.
How did that idea of saying let's leave this place and go to Zimbabwe? Were you intending to come to Zimbabwe or?
In my mind, first I knew Zimbabwe by like football when we play DRC Zimbabwe like that. I've never been here. And if you ask me how I arrived here, I can try to explain how I escaped DRC.
How did you escape DRC?
Yes, it was it was a certain Tuesday. I came from work. When I reached 100 meters near home, the rebels enter in our area, start to shout and kill people. So it's there I lost also my young sister when just I saw it was, I don't know what I can explain, and everyone was taking his direction, his way. So it's just there to want to save my life. I ran up until to the forest. When I reached forest, I started to run, and I met a big road. And that road, there is a lot of cars that were passing. I tried to stop one. Others, they refused. So one guy, he just stopped, and I explained what happened. I explained to him, and he said, I know one country. There is one country, there is a refugee camp, and the people like you, they're usually there. So come in, he was a truck driver, that guy. And he's the one, he helped me, we come up to here. So it's like that, and I'm here, and this is everything about my presence here.
Okay, and when you came with that truck driver?
Yes, I came with him. I can even think we spent almost a week in the day, in the roads, a week, and up to here.
So from there, what happened?
From there, just when I explained to him, he tried to tell me everything. He said, he encouraged me, being a man, be a man, and everything it will be okay, and they will help you. That there is a lot of peace. He tried to explain to me a lot of things. And so when just I enter in his car, we try to come, we pass Zambia up to here, and when we reach Mutare, his direction to us to Mozambique. We reached Mutare, he said, here you can try to ask anyone about Tongogara refugee camp. Yes. They will help you easily. My mission stopped here. And when he dropped me there, so I was in town like a vagabond, try to ask people. I don't know them and they don't know me. My English was up to now is too little. I tried to explain what happened because as we are born with Swahili French, so difficult. And up to I find someone, he helped me with his transport up to Tongogara. And when I reach there, I come to realize that it's a good place. It's a good place, and people, they live a good life, and that's why I'm there.
And how did you end up in Chipinge prison?
Okay, I remember it was in June. Usually, then in Tongogara, we've got one challenge. We leave everything free. And it's good. We eat free. They provide for us free. Everything they give us. So, and you are not allowed to work. This is a problem. So, being a man, I'm alone here in Zimbabwe. That's true. So, I want also to make my own family tomorrow. So that's why I try to. I went to one guy, I borrowed money. I say, if you can help me with 570 US, I will bring you back after 2 months. And
he's from DRC?
From there. He's a Zimbabwe from Tongogara because there is certain Zimbabwean there. He helped me and he said, I will give, we will do it after 2 months. The bad things or here I did, we didn't write down. So just after that, I went back. After a month, he came up to me and started to make me noise. Oh, I need my money, what. He's a business guy. Oh, I need my money, I want to go to South Africa, pay some things. Help me with my money. This is not our deal. Our deal was after 2 months. So he started to shout, my temper was also too short. We start to insult and up to he bring me to the court and my sentence is fraud. And this is my case, fraud.
And you were convicted and sentenced to how many?
Yes. When I went to court, they gave me 6 months. And when I came here, they calculate 130. And now I save 4 months. So, and I will go out 21 December this year. Almost done my sentence.
So how has been the situation here?
Very difficult to accept. Being, I can even mention it again, being in the foreign land, and to be in prison is not easy. It's not easy. So that's what I know. You must accept every situation in our life. I take it like it's happened. No one can change it. So I will try my best when I will be out to make my life positive and to success.
So your mother and the other siblings, they are not even aware that you are in Zimbabwe prison?
Please, I want to tell you true. Since I'm here, I try by all my own. I enter in Facebook, I enter in TikTok, I enter every platform, media social, to look for my family. They are not there. So I don't know what happened. The truth is, I don't know where they are. Because when we escape, when we run away a lot. Each one take his direction. So to save just his life, I don't know where they are. Up to now, I don't know. Even if one I will go out, I don't know. So my problem now is not it's very difficult to accept the situation. So being a man, I try to forget by being in the good environment, and that's why I don't know how I can explain it. It's very hard for me. Very hard for me.
So what are the activities are you doing here with other inmates?
Here, I thank first the government from Zimbabwe because of school here in prison. Being in prison, they open even a school for inmates. So I'm also among the teachers. So yes, here in prison, I teach people French. Yes, because DRC is a French country. We've grown up in French, Swahili. And I done with my university then DRC. Yes. So
what did you study there?
I did what we call in French sciences politiques et administratives. So if I want to translate it in English, it's like politics science and administrative. Yes,
okay, yeah.
Is exactly what I did, and I try to give my best to the others, and is only that I do here in prison.
Okay. So how are they taking it, the French, the inmates? Because I would say a privilege. Was friend who is outside there has never learned French, inmates are starting.
Wow, so that's why it's very, very beautiful, and I'm very even happy to find someone who is grown up with Shona and English in his mouth, and after being here in jail, he started speaking French. I've got others I can even call here. My students, they are able to talk, to understand, to ask a question, and this is very best for me, and I'm very happy to bring it. Yes.
Yeah. So from December 21, what's next now, Salem?
That's why also I thank you. I thank you because of your presence here. I was calculating in my mind what I can do if I leave this place. And I want directly to say I've got a project, and I don't know how I can achieve it. With you, I know it's very easy. I can I try to
going back to Tongogara refugee camp. But he says, I am here, use me. French is my language. I can also be a French teacher. And from Chipinge prison, this is Zimbabwe TV. For now, it's bye-bye.
Tena kumbera mumwe Kumure yeZimbabwe 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 tinokumbira mumwe mukana.